Good morning. Today is April 24th, 2018. Today is Amy C's birthday. Happy birthday, Amy. Go to the office later today. Here's the Golden Heart announcement of the day, submitted by Maurice. Drew showed his golden heart when he helped Maurice pick up crayons when they fell on the floor. Thank you, Drew, for your golden heart. April is Autism Awareness Month. Sometimes students with autism act differently. What should I say or do? Always try to be their friend first. Help these friends to find a different activity to participate in. Help them understand what the appropriate behavior might be. Please quietly stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing.
You may be seated crisscross with no talking, please. Today we celebrate the fairness pillar of character. Students who are fair play games by the rules. It means taking turns and sharing. Several students were nominated to represent their classes, showing exceptional fairness in what they do. Let's see what it is that they do to show the pillar of fairness.
Logan Lay and Munza Chaudhry. Logan and Munza always wait for their turn, and they know how to share. Munza and Logan know how to use kind words to make others take their turn. Logan and Munza have golden hearts. Thank you, Munza and Logan. Brendan Da Silva, Damian Miller, and Alicia Allen. Brendan, Damian, and Alicia take turns in centers and during recess and free play. Damian, Alicia, and Brendan share their classroom materials and toys. Alicia, Brendan, and Damian treat all of their classmates equally. Thank you, Alicia, Damian, and Brendan. Artemi Dolan. Artemi is kind to all of his classmates and teachers. He does not disturb others while they are working. Artemi is patient and waits for his turn to speak during discussions. Thank you, Artemi. Malachi John Louis. Malachi follows the rules of games and helps his friends do so as well. He is always honest, even if he has made a mistake. He accepts responsibility for his actions. Malachi stands up for what is right and is a leader in the classroom. Thank you, Malachi. Alexander Bereza and Yatsari Correa Valentin. Alexander and Yatsari make our classroom a fair place to learn. They listen quietly and do not disturb others when they are working. They keep their eyes on their own work during tests. Yatsari and Alexander play games fairly. They make sure everyone has their turn. They do not cheat just so they can be the winner. They know the fun is in the playing, not the winning. Alexander and Yatsari are friendly to everyone. They are always willing to be someone's partner in games and class activities. They make everyone feel special and important. Thank you, Yatsari and Alexander. Alexis Sakshevsky, and Daksh Patel. Alexis and Daksh always treat others in our class and in our school with respect. When we play games, Daksh and Alexis always take turns and play by the rules. They always tell the truth. Thank you, Daksh and Alexis. Johnson. Evie is a student who always makes others feel welcome. If a friend doesn't have a partner, she asks them to join. If a friend is having a hard time playing a game, she supports them and even gives hints to help them win. Evie shares her supplies if a friend can't find theirs. She's always sure to include everyone in the group. Thank you, Evie, for being so kind, fair, and supportive. Saif Amatari and Noah Bay. Saif and Noah always try their best to be fair when playing or working with other students. Noah and Saif follow the classroom rules. Saif and Noah always wait for their turn while standing in line or playing a game. Noah and Saif are very kind to everyone. Thank you, Noah and Saif. Aiden Raymond and Abik Kanal. Aiden and Abik are fair when they take turns playing games, both in class and on the playground. Abik and Aiden are fair when they raise their hands to speak in class. They listen to the speaker and take turns when working with an elbow buddy. Aiden and Abik are fair when they work hard to stay in self-control of their bodies. They work hard to make good choices and encourage friends to make good choices too. Thank you, Abik and Aiden. Iman Curtis, James Lyons, and Brianna Gonzalez-Munoz. Iman shares, welcomes new people, and talks to them, and waits for her turn and plays nicely. She tries to make games fair. James shares his pencils, never laughs at people while playing games, takes turns, and plays by the rules. Brianna shares her muffin, making sure that everyone gets an equal amount. She plays by the rules, making sure everyone has a turn. Thank you, Brianna, James, and Iman. Colin Cody, Damaris Gonzalez Ramirez, and Hima Kujan. Colin, Damaris, and Hima's classmates notice that they are fair when they follow the rules. They play games fairly. Damaris, Hima, and Colin listen to their friends. Hima, Colin, and Damaris treat others kindly. Thank you, Hima, Damaris, and Colin. Amy Agachu and Emily Andubar. Amy and Emily always follow the rules in the classroom, the cafeteria, and on the playground. Emily and Amy take turns and share when they are playing or working in class. Amy and Emily listen when people are speaking. They always treat others fairly. Thank you, Emily and Amy.
Now I would like to call up an adult who we would like to recognize because grown-ups as well as students show the pillars of character in their words and actions. I invite Ms. Middleton to come up to be recognized as an adult who shows the pillar of character. Ms. Middleton is fair to everyone. She uses a calm voice and has a calming presence that she shows to students and staff alike. She is patient with students and sees the best in each of them. She wants every student to be the best they can be, and she strives to give each one what he or she needs to reach his or her potential. She wants the best for all of her students. Ms. Middleton works hard so that her students can be successful. She helps them learn about writing so that they can produce good stories and other written work. Ms. Middleton treats her students fairly. Do you think that means she treats every one of her students exactly the same? No. It means that she provides them with what they need. What one student needs may be different from another student. She works hard to ensure that students get what they need to do their best. Ms. Middleton expects each of her students to work to the best of his or her potential. She teaches all of her students to be responsible members of their classroom community. Ms. Middleton's expectations are high, and her students work hard to achieve the goals set for them in class. Congratulations, Ms. Middleton. Please join in singing Gotta Be Fair. Now it's time for us to find out who is our golden ticket winner for the month.
Okay, golden ticket winner for the month from Miss Morris's class. Danielle Morris. Ice cream party of their choice, and this, I know this ticket because I wrote this about 3 weeks ago for Danielle, just because she's just such a nice kid. She's nice to everybody in the class, and nice to everybody. She's always like